going on, guys? It's your boys from Reactions here, back with another video, and today we are going to be reviewing our phones.
iPhone 14 versus iPhone 16. We got them, and we're gonna test them out.
Let's go.
Let's go. So, looking at the phones, as you can see, he has a notch. This has Dynamic Island, right.
See, I have a notch.
Right there. Dynamic Island in the top. We also got about the same bezels, not really different. On the right side, we got the new capture button. He does not have that on the 16.
No.
And on the other side, we got the action button, which he has a classic ringer switch. So the cameras on here, they're huge. They got the vertical layout. He's got the cross diagonal layout over there on the old 14s. And also on the bottom, USB-C, that is Lightning.
Oh.
Not USB-C. And obviously the colors. Other than that, that's that. This phone supports Apple Intelligence, iPhone 16. The 14 does not. Only the 15 Pros, 16s, and 16 Pros support Apple Intelligence, which I can't demo for you because it's not on here. And I'm not running the betas on this because it's a new phone, so I can't really show you, but I can tell you.
Now we're gonna run
Geekbench test. We're gonna run CPU and metal GPU tests, and we're gonna run the numbers here. So for the 14 single core score,
I have 2284.
and on the 16, 3241. So
barely beats me.
1,000 over. Yeah, barely. It's 1,000 more on the 16s. A18 versus the A15. And on the multi-core score,
5698.
and I got 7,873.
So close.
I know, that's
not close enough.
It's a 2,000 point difference on the 16's A18 chip. Now on the GPU metal score, the graphics,
20,848.
and I got 27,867 out of the waters. Yeah, this A18
almost, guys.
Powerful. Camera control, we quickly went over in our unboxing, but I will demo it again here. As you can see here, when I click this, it opens up the camera, and when I light press, I can switch the camera lenses. When I light double press, I can switch different modes here. I can go into the regular zoom mode and just zoom like that, and I can click and hold to take a video, and I could just click to take a photo. That's how it works.
For me, I have to do the old standard way.
So we're back in the studio just to test out one thing. We're gonna test out flash photos. So I'm gonna turn off the lights. We're gonna enable the flashes, and we're gonna see what the difference is on the flashes. So here we go. We're gonna take a flash photo here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're gonna do it on the 16 in 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna head outside and we're gonna do all our tests for you, demoing these cameras. Let's get into it. Here we go.
Now we're outside, and today we're gonna be doing the review. Let's go.
So we're gonna be doing 14 versus 16. We got all the photo coverage for you, so let's begin. All right, so we're gonna be taking some wide angle photos. Let's do it. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. And ultra wide. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, now we got the 16 here. We're gonna take the same photos. 1x, here we go. And ultra wide, boom. All right. All right, now we're gonna take a 48 megapixel photo on the 16. Here we go. On the iPhone 16, we have 2x optical zoom because of the 48 megapixel fusion lens. On the 14, we do not, so I'm gonna zoom in digitally and see what it looks like. So we're gonna go to 2x here. And there we go. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the 16 with the 2x. Boom. Alright, so the max digital zoom on the iPhone 16 is 10x. That's what we're going to take a photo at. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The 14 only has 5x. So I have to do another one. Okay. Alright, we're going to take some portrait mode photos. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now on to the 16. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now we're going to take a selfie photo on the 14. Now on the 16. We're gonna take some macro photos of the 16 Pro Max. It does not, so it's gonna be taken like that, and it's gonna prove the 14 does not have macro photos. Did not know that, so now we know that it won't work. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that. All right, now we're gonna shoot some 4K 30 video, so I'm gonna vlog right here. What's up, Logan?
What's up, bro? We are here in the camp, bro. In the field. That's what we're doing. We're recording a video for all of you viewers at home. Woo!
Alright, now we got the 16.
Here we go. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's a behind the scenes of our video. Let's go. Guys, behind the scenes BTS. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Okay, so there's some new audio quality features on these phones, and I'm going to demo that here, so I'm going to take a video.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here, filming a little behind-the-scenes video to our comparison with the 14 to the 16. Let's go. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here, filming behind-the-scenes of our video comparison. Let's go.
Now we're going to do macro video right here, so I'm going to go really close. And it's probably not going to work because, as you can see, the 14 does not have macro video. Now it has macro video. As you can see, we're really close and it works great.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it with all the comparison video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.